Hey everyone, welcome back to Upcoming Bike USA. Today we are diving into one of the most futuristic and jaw-dropping luxury motorhome concepts of 2026, the 2026 Iron Architect. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling mansion designed for people who want ultimate freedom without sacrificing five-star luxury. The 2026 Iron Architect immediately stands out with its bold and commanding exterior design. Built on a heavy-duty commercial truck chassis, this massive motorhome combines industrial strength with modern elegance. The front fascia features a sleek LED lighting signature, a wide chrome grille, and aerodynamic curves that reduce drag despite its enormous size. The body is crafted using lightweight aluminum panels reinforced with carbon composite sections, giving it both durability and a premium finish. One of its most impressive features is the expandable slide-out sections that dramatically increase interior living space once parked. On top, you'll find integrated solar panels and a smart energy management system that supports off-grid adventures. The highlight? A private upper balcony deck that transforms the Iron Architect into a true luxury penthouse on wheels. Step inside, and the interior design takes luxury to another level. The 2026 Iron Architect offers a fully customizable cabin finished with premium leather upholstery, real wood accents, brushed metal trims, and ambient LED lighting throughout. The living area features a large L-shaped sofa, a retractable 75-inch 4K smart TV, and a premium surround sound system. The kitchen is equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, marble countertops, and smart storage compartments. The master bedroom includes a king-size memory foam bed, wardrobe space, and panoramic windows with automatic privacy shades. The bathroom feels like a luxury hotel spa, featuring a rainfall shower, smart toilet system, heated flooring, and modern vanity design. Climate control is managed through a smart touch panel that allows you to adjust temperature, lighting, and security settings from anywhere inside the vehicle when it comes to performance. The 2026 Iron Architect is powered by a high-output turbo diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some variants may even offer a hybrid assist system for improved efficiency. Despite its massive size, advanced air suspension ensures a smooth and stable ride. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts based on road conditions, delivering both comfort and control. Heavy-duty braking systems and intelligent traction control provide confidence, whether you're cruising on highways or navigating challenging terrain. With an extended fuel tank and solar support system, long-distance travel becomes effortless. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Iron Architect. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera system, collision mitigation braking, and stability control. Reinforced structural framing enhances crash protection, while smart sensors monitor tire pressure, engine health, and battery systems in real time. Night vision assist and automatic emergency braking further elevate safety standards for a vehicle of this size. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Iron Architect is positioned in the ultra-luxury motorhome segment. The expected starting price is around $750,000, while fully customized flagship versions can exceed $1.5 million depending on interior upgrades, technology packages, and exterior customization options. It's not built for everyone. It's designed for elite travelers, entrepreneurs, celebrities, and adventure lovers who want the best of everything. Overall, the 2026 Iron Architect represents the future of luxury travel. It blends architectural design with automotive engineering, delivering comfort, technology, power, and prestige in one massive package. Whether you dream of cross-country road trips, full-time RV living, or simply owning one of the most impressive motorhomes on the road, the Iron Architect sets a new benchmark for what a luxury RV can be.